Hi everyone, welcome to Papercraft. Today we'll learn how to create a worker's helmet. This is only a costume and does not work as a protective helmet. To create it, we are going to download and print the templates on paper, and then paste the pieces on cardboard, or you can print directly on the cardboard as in my case. You have the link in the description and in the comments there you can choose the size of the helmet and also know how to cut the pieces and fold them. Over here we have our cut and folded pieces. We will start to create the helmet, so we'll join the pieces with the numbers 1 and 2. These other two will help us to shape the previous parts. We will put glue on the flaps and join a piece to each side. We will put glue on this part of piece 6 and add piece 5. Now we close this part to join them completely and form a single piece. Piece 7 will be glued on the bottom of this part, so we will add glue on the flaps and join it. As expected, we will join it with the previous pieces. With these other 3 pieces, we will repeat the process that we have just done. These parts will form the other helmet side. We will join the pieces together until they form a single one and then join it to the other side. With this, we will make the upper part completely ready. Now we will join the pieces with the numbers 11, 12, and 13. With them, we'll form a long piece that will join around the helmet. We will join the piece little by little so that the design fits us exactly as we want. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on future designs. Before adding these 3 pieces, we first have to shape them. As you can see, it is only about joining the flaps that these pieces have. Then we will join pieces 15 and 16 with piece 14 and add this piece that we have just formed in the helmet front. With these two, we'll form the rear helmet part. So basically, we will join one piece on each side. With pieces 19 and 20, we will completely finish the helmet. So we will glue the flaps and join these 2 pieces. Piece 19 in the back part and piece 20 in the front part. We will also cut any excess that may exist to finish the helmet. And now we have our worker's helmet ready. Remember that you can download any template from the channel without ads and support this content by joining Premium Papercraft. Thank you very much for watching the video.